Justin here with the Kixie partnership team. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your lead flow from GoHighLevel straight into Kixie so your team can start calling and texting leads the moment they come in. Check it out. The first thing you're going to want to do is open the Workflow Builder within GoHighLevel and start a new automation from scratch. Once you're there, you're going to need to decide a trigger on what you want to use in order to get those leads into the Kixie Power Call. The most popular trigger used by our clients is going to be this contact created. This means anytime a new contact is created within your GoHighLevel, it's going to add that lead to a Kixie PowerList. Now I will mention, HighLevel does allow you to get super granular with these things. You can add as many filters as you'd like, but if you just want to keep it really simple, this is a great place to start. So we're going to save that trigger. Next, we need to use the Kixie native action step within GoHighLevel. So in a previous video, you can see how to integrate your GoHighLevel with Kixie. Once you've done that and you type in Kixie here in the actions, you're gonna get these lists of actions available in the Workflow Builder. The one we're gonna focus on today is the add to PowerList. So once I tap in here, you're gonna see a few things pop up. The most important thing is going to be this PowerList ID. So we need to find inside Kixie which PowerList we wanna send these leads to. So I'm gonna go here into the dashboard and I have my super hot leads PowerList and I'm simply going to copy and paste this PowerList ID into GoHighLevel's Workflow Builder. Now, every single time a contact is created, it's going to immediately funnel those leads into this PowerList. Additionally, want to point out that you can map all of these fields from GoHighLevel into the Kixie Power Call, whether it be the name, title, company name, or the notes. We also have 6 custom fields where you can pull any information from that contact record in GoHighLevel into the Kixie Power Call. Now I save that action, and just like that, your workflow is built. Now, anytime a new lead comes into your GoHighLevel, it's going to be immediately funneled into that Kixie PowerList. And that's how you automate your lead flow from GoHighLevel to Kixie. Now your team's ready to hit the phones the moment a lead comes in. If you need help fine-tuning your setup, just reach out. We're here to make sure you get the most out of Kixie. Thank you.